sure, Jim. Now we should be getting heavy. We're second flight. First flight did good. We used about a 30-minute flight. We came down at about 50% battery. Winds probably gusting a little over 10, maybe 15. We're using real low power settings. We're getting it ready to go again. See if we can crack 30. Little incident with one of the ropes came loose. We fixed that. No issues so far. I got a creaky fin we got to fix. And other than that, the motors look good, low temps. Doesn't look like it's stressing them at all. You about ready?
Right now I'm controlling my arm disarm switch and checking all the telemetry data so that I can inform the operator so that he can know how much battery he left and what is the altitude that we are going, what is the speed, all these things that I'm informing him right now. Yeah, it's 200 feet. You are in a 220 now. It's changing a lot faster. 80 feet. When it's 6 miles per hour. But I want to see what is the airspeed, so we need to attach all these sensors we have.